Thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Murang'a ni ceceni imwe gatagati ga ceceni 17 guku bururini kuria maabitha a githomo na kuma commission ya wandikani wa arutani niyo TSC marathie na mbere guthoma maundu matiganite megie gukinyanirio kwa mutaratara mweru wa githomo. Minister wa githomo Profesa George Maghoha hamwe na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Dagitari Belio Kipsang nio megwikinyitie guku makiranira ni meguthie na mbere gukuruhania anyiti itemi othe sector-ini ya githomo niguo gukinyaniria matanya ma thirikari hari kugia na mutaratara mweru wa githomo.
Policy regarding this CBC was accomplished, I think, in 2017. And the only mistake which was done was that they thought we should wait for the session of paper before it is launched. We are launching it on Monday.
Magoha augite gutiri mundu kana kindu gikugiria mutaratara uyu wa githomo wambiririe guku bururini guku akiuria atongoria hamwe na aciari kumanyita mbaru.
Anybody who is talking about lack of stakeholder engagement, hiyo ni yake. Let the fact be known to the people.
Nao andu aria makoretwo magicabithia mabuku na njira ya ngungo na kwenderia aciari hamwe na arutwo matikwirica guoko kwa watho kuona thirikari ina mabuku maiganu ma guthoma.
It is an opportunity for all of us in the sector to sit down together and have a common focus so that we can be able to deliver as one. You know, we have all a single client who is our child. Since
I don't trust anybody, I will go to the classrooms of Murang'a, not today, when the day they don't know that I'm there. Go straight to class and find out if the children have books. And I will do that countrywide.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Murang'a High County ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinothia.